I've been far away, took the long road, lost my way, dust on my hands, shame in my shoes, ran from your arms, ran from your truth. But now I'm coming home to you. Every broken piece in view, I lay it all down at your feet. I lay it all down at your feet. Oh, Father, take this wandering heart, make it faithful, make it new. I've been far away, now I'm coming home to you. Oh Lord, I remember when you called my name like a faithful friend. I chased the wind, I chased the crowd, still your mercy keeps calling loud. And now I'm coming home to you. Every hidden wound in view, I lay it all down at your feet. I lay it all down at your feet. Oh Jesus, take this restless heart, make it steady, make it true. I've been far away, now I'm coming home to you. No more running, no more pride. Oh yeah, hands wide open, tears in my eyes. If you want me, here I am, just a child reaching for your hand. 'Cause now I'm coming home to you. Every